Highly skilled technicians are in demand in the Miami Valley, and the Auto Collision Repair Program is designed to meet the industry needs. From body repair to repainting, attention to detail is key in this exciting, creative, and challenging career program. You gain experience repairing and painting project vehicles in the lab while learning all types of refinishing and repair. The program has delved into restoration projects that include classic hot rods, antique cars, beverage machines, gas pumps, utility vehicles, and bicycles.